Welcome guys, Greenbot back again with another reaction video. Pan, one of the next big thing out of the UK, Miss Banks, you see me? Actually enjoyed that the lady, the way she rap, freestyling, and she's sick, you see me? Not like, she have one of the best fire in the booth me ever hear, bro. If you never see the reaction video there, go and go link, check it up on the channel. We do it on something there, you see me? On fire in the booth, Miss Banks. Done very well, very good, you see me?
What the hell are you?
Like, share, comment and subscribe.
So I'm not talk too long for the one here, you see me? I just jump into this ZeZe Freestyle by Miss Banks. So begin. Hey, I hate.
Swag mean with the attitude to match. Now I'm on billboards, but I'm coming from the trap. All soft drip hard, make a nigga double tap.
Ooh. Oh. Yo, she have a weight.
That's a fact. Give me any beat, I kill any trap. Round like whole meal. Told my baby it's a snack, he said it's a whole meal. Hot girl, still I need my wrist on chill. From a place where them niggas roll with raps and still get you sucked for a meal. How you feel? How you feel? Ride that dick like a vet.
Oh my god. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Oh, I don't know.
You wanna eat my pussy, listening to Keith Sweat. Take care of the kitty, promise it's a good pet. Shut down, yeah, I had a hype set. Said that I'm about to blow when he asked what's next. But my payment ain't cash, but I'll fuck up a check. All I ever hear is yes, what the fuck's a request? Say it with my whole chest, better show some respect. Fuck 'em up, 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 yeah, fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up, yeah, fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up. Fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up, yeah, fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up. Might catch me out with DD, hella vibes, I make it look easy. When I pull up to motive, they like teach me. Hella prints on me, you see the GG, you see the GG. What's good, code that? Once I touch up the track, you can have it back. Told them I can do it better, so I handle that. I do my thing, you know we never lack. You know we never lack, I just fuck it up. In the club, you know why I fuck it up. In Selfridges, I fuck it up. Any beat I jump on, I fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. I just say it how it is, you should know I'm blasé. I'm the wave bars, make a nigga skank like Kanye. I just want a good time, but you know I don't play. Couple underestimating, now I'm coming like Dre. I just fuck 'em up, 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 yeah, fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up, yeah, fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up. Fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up, fuck 'em up, yeah, fuck 'em up, 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 fuck 'em up.
Come on, there we go, youth. So I go on. Yo, when I tell her, Miss Banks kill a freestyle, you see me? She kill it, bro. I know that she bad already still, as I say, from her fire in the boot, I know that she bad already, you see me? So, yo. Shout star, that's a girl. I'm going to lift that thing up on my own still, but very good video for Miss Banks. You see me? Peace out.
I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.